Hi guys, thanks for being here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In our today's video, I am going to show you some amazing contemporary metal table legs, table based designs that will inspire you, and then you can make it your home if you have a basic knowledge of welding, and you can sell it online to earn a handsome amount of money. So let's get started. Metal table legs and base have become increasingly popular in contemporary design. The sleek modern look of metal adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any space, whether it's for a coffee table, dining table, or even a desk. Metal table legs and the bases are a great option for those looking for add some style and the flair of their home or office. Contemporary metal table legs and base come in a variety of design, from simple and the minimalist to intricate and the ornate. Some popular design include geometric shape, curved line, and the abstract form. The design of the metal table's leg's base can be a focal point of the table, making it a unique and interesting piece of furniture that will catch the eye of anyone who enters the room. One of the main advantages of metal table legs and the bases is their durability. Metal is a strong and sturdy material that can withstand a lot of wear and tear. This makes it a great choice for tables that will be used frequently or in a high traffic area. Additionally, metal is easy to clean and maintain, making it a practical option for busy household and the commercial spaces. The metal table legs and the base often offer a wide range of customization options. They can be made in a different color, finishes, and the texture to match the aesthetic of any space. For example, a brushed stainless steel fishing would look great in a modern industrial style space, while a polishing brass finish would be add a touch of luxury to more traditional setting. Customization also include the wise choice of metals such as steel, aluminum, and the brass, depend upon the desired strength, weight, and the appearance. And other advantage of metal table legs and the bases in their versatility. They can be used with a variety of tabletop materials including glass, wood, and stone. This makes them a great option for those who want to create a custom table with a unique combination of material. Metal legs or bases can also be used to update an existing table, giving it a fresh and modern look. When it comes to choosing the right metal table legs or base from specific project, it is important to consider the weight and the size of the table. For a larger table, thick and the sturdier leg are necessary to provide the necessary support. On the other hand, smaller table can benefit from more delicate and intricate design that add a touch of elegance to the space. In addition to the practical and the aesthetic benefit of metal table legs and the base, they also have an environmental advantage. Metal is a recyclable material which means that can be reused or repurposed after the life of the table is over. This make metal tables, legs, and base a sustainable choice for those who are conscious of their environmental impact. In conclusion, contemporary metal legs and the base offer a variety of benefits that make them a popular choice for modern design. Their durability, customization option, versatility, and the environmental sustainability make them a practical and stylish option for those who want to elevate the look of their spaces. Whether it's for residential or a commercial space, metal table legs and base can be add a touch of sophistication and elegance to any room. So if you are looking to upgrade your table or create a custom piece of furniture, consider the many advantage of metal table legs and the bases. The contemporary metal table legs and the base design ideas are popular all over the world, but specific trend and style are vary depending on cultural influence and the regional preferences. In recent years, there are been growing interest in industrial and the minimalist design, which influenced the popularity of metal table legs and the base. This trend has been particularly popular in North America, Europe, and Asia. The Scandinavian countries in particular are known for their love of minimalist design and often incorporate metal table legs and base in their furniture. It contrasts countries in the Middle East or the North Africa tend to favor more ornate and decorative style. However, it's important to note that design trends are consistently evolving and they can be influenced by many factors such as technology, fashion, and some social norms. It's difficult to point out the specific regions or culture as being the most fashion forward in terms of metal table legs and the base designs. The contemporary metal table legs and the base offer several advantages over traditional materials such as wood or plastic. Metal is a strong and durable material that can withstand heavy use and is resistant to wear and tear. This makes it an ideal choice for table legs and base that need to support a heavy tabletop or withstand frequent use. Metal table legs and bases offer a stable foundation for your tabletop. They are easily to wobble or shift even an uneven surface. Contemporary metal table legs and the bases come in a variety of styles and the finishes that can complement any home decor. Can decor from sleek to a modern or rustic and industrial. There is a metal table base to suit any style. Metal table legs and bases are easy to clean and maintain. They are less likely to absorb spill and the stains, and they can be wiped clean and damp cloth. Metal table legs and bases can be customized to fit the exact specification of your table. They can be cut to any size and shape and can be powder coated and painted to match your decor. Metal is a recyclable material that can be used and reused and repurposed. Choosing metal table legs and bases can help reduce waste and promote sustainability. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you so much.